Welcome to our third annual Haunted Hustle 5K. We do this every year in support of the Mental Health Association of Nebraska. Our organization provides alternative programs to those who struggle with mental health and substance use issues. Thank you for your donations. Set, go! If you aren't able to make it, you can still donate through our website, mha-ne.org. You can also order a t-shirt through our website. Thank you for your generous support that allows us to promote wellness and recovery.